Hello, welcome to this bonus Thursday upload where, as you can tell by the title, I'm getting a new cat, which I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous. I'm scared because, in case you don't know, nearly 3 months ago, I lost a cat. He unfortunately died, and I had him for 8 years, 8 long, amazing years with that little ginger bastard. I mean, he's featured in a few videos. I posted a few YouTube shorts with him um, in the past, and yeah, I just got a text saying that I'm going to be getting this cat very, very soon. My friend is bringing him. I just got the text that they're in Navan, which means it's a few more minutes until the little guy is here, and I'm scared. I really am scared because I this is like I've had Levi since he was a kitten, but my mother was alive at that point. So whilst I was away at school, she was here, took care of him, fed him, all that stuff until she passed away. Then I took over when Levi was uh, 2 years old at that point. So he's already a fully grown cat with his own personality and stuff. So yeah, this is this is going to be interesting. I'm looking forward to it as well. But yeah, I'll keep you updated.
The Amsterdam phone
Yeah.
calls. I had to get it because but I probably need to get it a little bit more if I find any.
Hmm.
Maybe because it was with 6 other kittens, maybe it just had,
Hmm.
put a mirror beside the bed. Think it would be small cats. Can't see itself.
Mm-hmm.
Black kittens,
Mm.
most of them just Theodore. Stop.
He doesn't look like a Spock either. He's grooming himself.
Mm. closest, just the original.
No, it's the alt art.
Oh.
No bear. Don't think he likes it.
No.
Nope.
Step up your account in minutes. You can start sending them right away. You know, the Apple or Google Pay. You don't need to be buying all of our supplies using Revolut, and we are in Peru. Be that easy, no fast. Delays. Oh shit. Okay. Hola. No comprende inglés. No comprende.
Oh, careful. You'll get stuck down there.
When you say shop, you mean like just Central?
Central, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is little Oliver. Feels weird having a cat after 3 months since I lost Levi. He's very skittish. Uh, so it's just gonna take some time to get used to, I guess. What are you sniffing for? Hmm? What you sniffing at? So yeah, just wanted to do this video to show him off.